viewers, a warm welcome to all of you in today's episode of Youth Folio, our weekly magazine series focusing on the happenings of Northeast, culture, opportunities, achievers, sports and lots more. The decision of the voters of Assam has been revealed. Now it is time to know what people want from the elected state government. Watch on.
BJP wins in Assam. People expect good governance, peace and development. Ministry of Home Affairs holds review meeting on implementation of Base Barua Committee recommendations. 24 militants of the Garo National Liberation Army surrender in Meghalaya. Guwahati railway station becomes free Wi-Fi zone. EduFest 2016 draws large numbers of students in Guwahati. Rabindra Jayanti observed joyously with songs and dances. Jubilation filled the air in Assam and New Delhi over the Bharatiya Janata Party's emphatic victory of 87 out of 126 total assembly seats which went to polls in Assam. Even in smaller towns of Assam, people danced with photos of Sarbananda Sonowal, happy at the prospects of getting a new chief minister, and with pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. People are enthusiastic and optimistic about good days ahead and wish for peace and prosperity. Talking to the media from Majuli right after the BJP's victory in Assam, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal said,
"Because of our united effort, the message went to the ground, the people, that this is the right initiative, and through this initiative, the long-standing problem of the people of Assam can be sorted out."
हमारे यहाँ सबसे आसाम की जो प्रॉब्लम है बड़ी बात वो है बांध वो और एक है अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट और ये अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में सर्वदा ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि ये प्रॉब्लम यहाँ के सॉल्व करेंगे और हमारी पूरी विश्वास है कि ये सर्वदा जरूर पूरी करेंगे।
प्रथम कथा जो 15टा बছৰত অসমৰ যিটো অৱস্থা হ'ল অৰ্থনৈতিকভাৱে হ'ল বা ইয়াত নিৰাপত্তাৰ খাতিৰত হ'ল বা বিভিন্ন কেলেংকাৰী আমি আমাৰ চৰকাৰে সেইখিনি দূৰ কৰিব বুলি আমি আশা কৰিম। নিবনুৱা সমস্যাটো যাতে আমাৰ ইয়াত সমাধান হয় তাৰ বিষয়ে আমি আশা কৰিম। আমি এখন সুস্থ সবল অসম এখন বিচাৰিম আচলতে।
In Delhi, party president Shri Amit Shah and other leaders spoke out about how they are humbled by the mandate of the people and would do their best to stand up to every expectation and poll promise.
नकारात्मक प्रचार का पराजय है और देश में एक पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस की नई शुरुआत मैं यहां से देख रहा हूं। पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जिन लोगों ने अलग अलग राजनीतिक बहाने निकालकर पार्लियामेंट को विकास के रास्ते से भटकाने का काम किया, उनको पांचों राज्यों की जनता ने अपनी जगह दिखा दी।
The Ministry of Home Affairs held a review meeting on implementation of the MP Base Barua Committee recommendations regarding Northeast people living in metropolitan cities. The meeting, held on the 12th of May, was presided over by the Minister of State for Home Affairs, Shri Kiran Rijiju, and attended by Joint Secretary Northeast Ministry of Home Affairs, Mr. Satyendra Garg, Director Northeast Ajay Kanojia, besides representatives of several ministries including Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Donor, Ministry of Law, etc., as well as representatives from the state governments of the Northeast and Delhi Police. The meeting discussed provisions of the Indian Penal Code and need to amend certain rules. After the meeting, Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju hailed the efforts of Delhi Police and Delhi government which have benefited people of the Northeast.
Northeast के लोग दिल्ली में आते हैं और अन्य शहरों में जाते हैं तो उनका बहुत इशू रहता है। उसको लेकर के आज सारा मंत्रालय का विभिन्न मंत्रालय का मैंने मीटिंग बुलाया और बहुत अच्छा किया। खासकर दिल्ली पुलिस और दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से भी बहुत कदम उठाया है अच्छा। उसके लेकर रिव्यू मीटिंग किया अब नॉर्थ ईस्ट लोगों के लिए जो भी हम काम किया है वो बहुत ही इफेक्टिव हो रहा है, लोगों के लिए फ़ायदा भी हो रहा है.
It must be mentioned here that national capital Delhi has the highest number of Northeast people residing either for work or studies among all metros. Many recent measures like effective policing, starting of dedicated Facebook and WhatsApp pages for the Northeast people by Delhi Police, dedicated cell for Northeast in Delhi Police, punishments for people who discriminate Northeast people, etc., have helped to largely improve the situation. An increase in cultural programs of the Northeast in Delhi and other metropolitan cities, football matches, and other events are being organized to help in integration. Banned underground group Garo National Liberation Army or GNLA continued to suffer major blows as 24 cadres of its two commands surrendered along with huge cache of arms and anti-aircraft ammunition on Friday the 13th of May. The surrendering, which is one of the third biggest, this time is believed to have further weakened the armory of the outfit after the recent 2 rounds of surrendering of GNLA leaders and cadres. This present surrender was led by the outfit's action commander of West Garo Hills District, Hedio CH Momin, alias Karak, and area commander Chingnang, alias Nun, who surrendered before Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, KS Krofa, and DG Police Rajiv Mehta. Most of the surrenderies are trained armed hardcore cadres of the GNLA. A total of 1,304 anti-aircraft gun ammunition and 3,446 medium machine gun ammunition were deposited by Hedio, who claimed to have taken them out from where they were buried by GNLA leader Sohan in Durama Hills before surrendering. The ammunition were reportedly bought from Bangladesh. The cadres have also deposited 2 AK-56, 1 SLR, 1 3.2 small arm, 1 M22 pistol, 2 7.65 mm pistols and demand notes.